Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install AnyDesk on your laptop or PC. So first of all you need to open browser. Here I will open Google Chrome. So now I have to type AnyDesk. So here you can see AnyDesk for PC. So I have to click on that. Now I have to got the AnyDesk official website. I have to open it and now I have to click download. The download will start automatically. The file is not so big, so it will download quickly. As you can see, the file has already downloaded, so I have to click on that file. So now the AnyDesk will open. So as you can see, the AnyDesk has opened. Now this is my address. So with this address I can give access to my PC. So now here you can see there is the option second install AnyDesk. So I have to click here. Now I have to click install. Now I have to click don't install the printer driver. So the install has finished. So if you cross it and open the AnyDesk app showing on desktop, you can see so my AnyDesk is ready for any remote access. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.